Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Yes button is currently grayed out when you're trying to open up a user account control window, and it would ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? And it would say to continue, type in administrator password and then click yes, and you have no ability to click yes. This tutorial should hopefully address this problem for you guys. So what we're going to do to start, head to the start menu, type in control panel. Best match comes up should say control panel directly above desktop app. So you want to left click on that one time, and you want to set the view by to large or small icons. And you want to scroll down until you get to user accounts right here. Underneath change your account type, you want to left click on that. If it's currently set to standard, you want to make sure you move it over to the administrator position, and then you would left click on change account type. But since we're already administrator account, we can't go back to standard, so we are an administrator account. There is a workaround for that, but I'm assuming most of you guys are currently a standard account. So you would switch it to administrator, click on change account type, and then you would close out of here. Probably have to restart your computer, and then hopefully your user account, you won't be getting those errors with a grayed out yes button when you're trying to load those kind of applications. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.